how to manage notifications or of everything on Deezer. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage the notifications of everything on Deezer. So first thing we do is we go to Deezer app, and now you go to the top corner here and then choose notifications. Here you go here, and here you go. This is how you can manage all the notifications. You can turn on or turn off everything just from here. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful video, and thank you for watching till the end.